Check this guy out. All Muslims are child molesters. Got the Trump flag. Look at the front. It says, "Kill all Muslims." Jeez!
Hey! You must stone cold stunner as many radical Muslims as you can find! Call me racist. Fuck you, my president's white. Somebody's probably gonna get on here and say that's racist, but I don't really give a shit because y'all was all hooping and hollering about fucking Obama being fucking black, so boo ya, bitch!